What is a simple definition of logistics? In its simplest form, logistics refers to managing the flow of goods and services from their point of origin to their final destination. From sourcing, transportation, warehousing, and inventory management to delivery, logistics covers all aspects of the supply chain. It involves a complex network of people, processes, and systems that work together to ensure products reach customers promptly and efficiently. In short, logistics is the connective tissue that ties businesses and consumers together. The critical components of logistics include transportation, warehousing, inventory management, and information systems. Transportation is a crucial aspect of logistics as it involves physically moving goods from one location to another. Whether by road, air, sea, or rail, logistics professionals must determine the most cost-effective and efficient transportation for each shipment. Warehousing is equally critical in logistics as it involves storing products until they are ready to be shipped or delivered. Proper warehousing management is essential to ensure the smooth flow of goods and avoid delivery delays. Inventory management is another crucial aspect of logistics, which involves keeping track of stock levels and ensuring enough inventory to meet customer demand. This requires accurate forecasting, planning, and communication with suppliers to maintain an optimal inventory level. Information systems are also a vital component of logistics as they help track and manage the flow of goods, providing visibility into every stage of the supply chain. By having a clear understanding of the inventory levels, transportation routes, and delivery schedules, logistics professionals can make informed decisions to optimize efficiency.